Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Quizlet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account if you have not already logged in by using your credentials or your social accounts. After logging in, if you wish to change your profile picture, from the home page, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. This will then take you into your profile page. You will now see your username as well as your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on your current profile picture, and now you will see various different photos that you can use as your profile image. You also have the option to take a photo from your camera, and you can also tap on the gallery icon to choose one from your gallery. After choosing your desired photo, you can go ahead and crop it to fit your desired size and then tap on the tick mark. And now your profile picture has successfully been updated within your profile on Quizlet. You can come back to your picture and switch it as many times as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on your Quizlet account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.